What bird wears bright blue feet, like shoes? The blue-footed booby lives on the Galapagos Islands and parts of coastal South America. It grows up to 3 feet long, with a wingspan of 5 feet. Its bright blue feet are not just for show, they attract mates. Males lift their feet in a silly dance to impress females. Their blue color comes from eating lots of fish. Rich in pigments, they're excellent divers, plunging into the ocean to catch fish midair. Thanks for watching. See you in the next wild moment.